As technology advances, the market overflows with drones for professionals and hobbyists alike, making it tough to find the perfect one. To simplify your search, we've handpicked the top 10 drones under $100 just for you. The first item on our list is the DEERC D70. The D70 is a fantastic drone for beginners. This easy-to-use first-person view drone comes equipped with all the essential functions, making it the perfect choice for those new-to-camera drones. Enjoy interactive games with your family and create precious memories with its user-friendly features. With the push of a button, you can take off and land effortlessly. It also includes headless mode, altitude hold, gesture selfie, and speed switch for a seamless flying experience. The D70 boasts 22 minutes of flight time and a 130-foot control range, thanks to its 2 modular batteries. Its foldable design makes it incredibly portable, fitting easily into your pocket. The price is only $49.99. Next, Holy Stone HS420. If you're looking for a fun and easy-to-use mini drone, the HS420 is an excellent choice. It features a 720p HD first-person view camera with an adjustable angle, capturing high-quality video and clear photos, all viewable in real time via Wi-Fi. With one key start, altitude hold, and headless mode, flying is straightforward and intuitive, even for beginners. Plus, emergency stop features add an extra layer of safety. The HS420 is packed with fun features like toss to launch, 3D flips, circle fly, and high-speed rotation. You can even customize its flight path through the app. 2 modular batteries ensure extended flight time, while its compact design makes it perfect for on-the-go adventures. Grab yours for just $49.99. Next, the Eachine E58. The Eachine E58 drone is equipped with a 1080p HD camera for capturing stunning photos and videos. The 120 degrees wide-angle lens and adjustable angle ensure high-quality aerial shots, while Wi-Fi real-time FPV transmission lets you view footage directly on your phone. This multifunction drone includes 3D flip, one-key return, headless mode, and altitude hold for a versatile flying experience. Designed for portability and safety, the E58 features a foldable design and replaceable drone arms, ensuring longevity and easy repairs. It's perfect for beginners with altitude hold, one-click takeoff and landing, and stable hovering. Enjoy up to 30 minutes of flight time with 3 batteries, making it an ideal gift for kids and drone enthusiasts. Get yours for just $51.99. Next, the Holy Stone HS430. The HS430 mini drone is an exciting new release packed with a 1080p Wi-Fi camera, capturing high-quality videos and photos with smooth first-person view transmission to your phone. With 2 modular lithium polymer batteries, enjoy up to 39 minutes of flight time, and rest assured with overvoltage protection. Compact and portable, it fits in your palm and is packed with features like high-speed rotation, 360 degrees flip, and gesture control. The one-key takeoff and landing and altitude hold functions make it perfect for beginners. Fly safely with headless mode, emergency stop, and a 3-speed switch. At just $53.99, the HS430 offers great value and fun for all ages. The item on our list now is the NEHEME NH525. If anyone is looking for a beginner-friendly drone packed with features, the NEHEME NH525 is an excellent choice. It boasts an 80 degrees adjustable 1080p HD camera, capturing stunning selfies and real-time first-person view transmission for breathtaking views directly through the app. Safety is ensured with 4 propeller guards, protecting both the user and the drone during flights. With 2 intelligent batteries, it offers an impressive 26-minute flight time and can reach up to 100-meter control distance, giving you an extensive flying experience. The NH525 is incredibly user-friendly, featuring one-key takeoff and landing, headless mode, altitude hold, and hand gesture photo and video. Enjoy multiple fun flight modes, including 360 degrees flips, high-speed rotations, and a custom route feature via the app. Its foldable design makes it portable and easy to carry, perfect for travel and an ideal gift. The drone comes with a detailed manual, ensuring you can quickly learn all its functions. Get the NEHEME NH525 for only $58.99 and start capturing unforgettable moments today. Next, the Tizzy Toy S8000. Tizzy Toy S8000 is perfect for all skill levels, from kids to adults. With one-click takeoff and landing and a return home button, flying is a breeze. Equipped with dual 4K ultra-high-definition cameras, it captures stunning photos and videos with adjustable angles. Enjoy up to 40 minutes of flight time thanks to two 2000 mAh batteries. The S8000 offers live first-person view video transmission up to 300 meters, providing a bird's-eye view. With over 16 functions, including 360 degrees flips and gesture recognition, it's packed with features. Its light and foldable design makes it ultra-portable. Price is only $73.93. Our next item is NEHEME NH760. This NH760 drone is absolutely fantastic. With its simple one-key takeoff, you can effortlessly enjoy exciting features like 360 degrees flips, circle fly, and self-rotation. It caters to both beginners and pros with its 3 speed modes. Safety is a top priority. The full guard protects from propellers, making it perfect for kids. Plus, the low battery warning ensures you won't lose your drone by reminding you to return it in time. Capture stunning moments with the wide-angle, manually adjustable HD camera and share them in real time via Wi-Fi and the app. The upgraded versatile gameplay, including gesture control and flight path drawing, adds extra fun and functionality. Its foldable, lightweight design makes it super easy to carry on your outdoor adventures. This drone adds endless fun to parties, travel, and hiking. All this for just $59.99. Don't miss out. Next, the Tizzy Toy BL01. This 4K adjustable first-person view drone has a 120 degrees lens and a 110 degrees wide-angle lens, providing stunning bird's-eye views. Connect your phone or iPad to enjoy real-time 4K pictures and videos, and easily share them on social media. The brushless motor ensures high speed and stable flight with optical flow positioning for excellent wind resistance. The package includes extra fan blades, 2 1600 mAh batteries, and a carrying case, offering up to 40 minutes of flight time. Features like high-speed rotation, gesture control, and 360 degrees flips make it perfect for all skill levels. It also has 360-degree obstacle avoidance indoors and an electronic fence function. Priced at just $74.99, it's an excellent value. Next, we like to introduce the Holy Stone HS440 drone. It features a 1080p HD camera adjustable within 90 degrees, providing breathtaking aerial views from its 112 degrees wide-angle lens. Perfect for capturing stunning moments, whether at a beach or a family reunion. Enjoy up to 40 minutes of flight time with its powerful modular battery. The foldable frame and carrying case make it super portable. Easy to operate with automatic takeoff and precise hovering, it's packed with fun features like one-key high-speed rotation. Ideal for beginners, it includes emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold. Get yours for just $99.98 and start your adventure today. Next, LSRC S6S. The LSRC S6S drone is packed with advanced features, making it a top choice for drone enthusiasts. It boasts optical flow and GPS positioning for precise control, powered by a robust 1503 brushless motor. Capture stunning 4K HD photos and 720p videos with its self-stabilized, electronic anti-shake lens. Enjoy seamless 5G Wi-Fi image transmission up to 1,500 meters. With a powerful 7.4V 1,600 mAh battery, you get up to 25 minutes of flight time. Intelligent features include GPS Follow Me, gesture shooting, and customizable flight routes. Weighing only 150 grams, FAA registration is not required. Its compact design and user-friendly controls make it perfect for all skill levels. All this for just $99.80. Grab yours now. Those are the 10 drones under $100. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy flying!